Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill, guys. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Alright guys, today I am so excited because it's going to be a special week here on Steff's Beauty Stash. I am dedicating all of this week to one of my favorite drugstore brands, and that is Wet n Wild Beauty. Their team reached out to me a few weeks ago and wanted to see if I would be interested in collaborating with them on their new Mega Last lipstick launch that they are doing specifically at Target. Guys, they sent me right here all 26 shades of the new matte finish and high gloss finish of the Mega Last lipsticks. I tell you guys, I am so beyond excited. I am so happy. I'm so blessed, so thankful to have this opportunity to showcase this for you guys. Yeah, so today we're doing a full face of Wet n Wild. All of the products that you are going to see me using, I purchased either at Target or from the Wet n Wild Beauty website. Maybe one or two are from CVS, but everything, guys, is Wet n Wild. And this is a brand that I have been using since I think I was like in the 6th grade, and I'm going to be 38 in a couple weeks. So that is an incredibly long time, guys. My next 2 videos after this one today, you're going to see me focusing specifically on these lipsticks, which I will be trying both of these shades out because I did purchase these myself from Target. This one is in the shade Wine Room, and this is the matte version. This one that I'm wearing right now is the high gloss version, and this one is in the shade Close Off. I purchased these myself, $1.99, guys, at Target. Really, you can't beat that. So my next 2 videos will definitely be showcasing both of the formulas, all of the shades that come in both of these formulas, and I can't wait for you guys to try that. So definitely be on the lookout for it. And if you are interested in purchasing either one of these lipsticks or all of the lipsticks that they have, I will leave a link for that in the description box down below. I don't make any money off of that link, so whether you buy, whether you don't, it's totally up to you. It's just a direct link where you can find all of these lipsticks and purchase the shade that you want. So guys, let's get started with this makeup tutorial. If you want to see how I got this look right here using all Wet n Wild products, keep on watching. So before I came on, I exfoliated my lips and I applied a little bit of this new Wet n Wild. This is the sleeping mask, and it is in the scent and flavor lavender. It really is a nice, and it does come sealed, so you see, it's a really, really nice little lip balm here. I don't think it feels really heavy on the lips. It's definitely something that you don't have to use just at nighttime. It is something that can be worn during the day. So I have already applied this to my lips, so that way we'll be good to go whenever it comes to applying the lipstick for today. To prime the skin, I'll be going in with the Wet n Wild Matte Primer. For foundation, I'll be going in with both Photo Focus foundation finishes in matte and dewy. To apply the foundation, I'll be using the new Wet n Wild Microfiber Makeup Sponge. And I'm going to start with the matte foundation first, and I'm going to apply that mainly in my T-zone. You want to be careful when you're applying your foundation that you don't let your beauty sponge or brush, whatever it is you're using to apply the foundation with, touch the lip sleeping mask. Because if some of that gets on your beauty sponge and then mixes in with the foundation, it could lead to a cakey mess, and that is something we definitely don't want. Believe me, I speak from experience on this one. Now I'm going to apply the dewy finish to the rest of my face. Now I'll be going in with a little bit of Photo Focus concealer. I'm also going to apply a little bit of that concealer to my eyelids so it can act as an eyeshadow primer. To set everything, I'll be going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Setting Powder. This is one of my favorites at the drugstore. I'm going to take whatever's left in the cap, and I'm just going to swirl my powder brush in there and apply that to the perimeters of my face. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water. This is going to help all of my face products mesh very well together. For bronzer, I'll be going in with the Color Icon bronzer in the shade Sunset Striptease. And this has obviously been well loved, as you can tell from the packaging. Now I'm going to go in with the Color Icon blush in Pearlescent Pink. I love the shade of pink, and pink blush is going to be everywhere in 2020, guys. Now for one of my favorite parts in my makeup routine is highlighter, and Wet n Wild makes some of my all-time favorite highlighters. I just love their formula. I love their loose formula. I love their pressed formula. I even love the liquid formula that they have in their highlighters. I have never met a Wet n Wild highlighter that I do not love. So I have quite a few to choose from. I have, of course, the blush lighters that came out more recently. I have one of my all-time favorites. This is from the Crystal collection. This is the Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Crystal High. Love this one. I believe you can still find this at Target in the whole bundle set. So I definitely recommend picking up the entire bundle. I want to say it's like $40 on the Target website. It's a great product. I loved all the eyeshadows that came in that, the highlighters, everything in there was absolutely great. I even have the, where is it? I have the setting spray in front of me that came in that collection as well. I'll be using this a little bit later towards the end of today's makeup routine. What other highlighters do I have from Wet n Wild here? I have, this one has been around for quite a while. This is I'll Have a Cosmo. I think I might be going in with this one. And in my recent Wet n Wild order, I got a rainbow highlighter for free. So this one was included in my order free of charge. This one is in the shade Bronze Over the Rainbow. So let's see, actually I'm wearing green, so maybe we should do something more golden, right? And I'm looking at the shades here. Yeah, I think I'm going to want to do a more goldeny highlighter, more of a bronzy highlighter. So I'm going to give this one a shot, the free one that they sent to me. This one again is in the shade Bronze Over the Rainbow. Let's open this one up and let's start applying to the cheeks. Really love that. Not too intense, but definitely visible, definitely gives your skin that nice little glow to it. I tell you guys, Wet n Wild, they just always get it right for me with highlighters. Now I'm going to go back in with the Rose Photo Focus Primer Water just to set everything. Now I'm going to go take care of these eyebrows off camera, and I'll be back so we can start the eye look. All right, let's start creating an eye look. This is the eyeshadow palette I'll be using from Wet n Wild. This is their 32 pan eyeshadow palette. I actually got this from the Wet n Wild website a few weeks ago, and I got it for half off, if you can believe. This is from all of their Color Icon little palettes that they have, their 8-pan palettes. So I wanted to kind of replace them since I have had those in my collection for a while. So let's start creating the look today. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This is like a nice, kind of like a vanilla color matte shade, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with this dark brown matte shade, and I'm going to start packing that on my eyelid. I'm going to leave the middle space open. Just really just focusing on packing it not necessarily blending it. That'll come later. Okay, now I'm going to start blending that out ever so lightly, just mainly focusing on the edges. I'm going to use a clean blending brush. Now I'm going to go in with the shade right next to it, and I'm going to start packing that on top of that dark brown matte shade. Again, taking that clean blending brush, I'm just going to blend out where I just laid down that shade. Now in the middle of my eyelid, I'm going to pop on this green color right here. I'm going to take some of this gold shade right here, and with my finger, I'm going to apply that over that green shade. Ooh, that looks nice. Totally transforms that green shade into, wow, just something totally sparkly, metallic-y. Love that. It didn't take a lot. I was just with one finger tap. Now I'm going to go back in with that dark brown shade, the first shade that we used, and I'm going to kind of intensify the inner and outer corner. These shades are absolutely a dream to work with. I mean, guys, I paid $7.50 for this palette of 32 eyeshadows. You can't beat that. Now on my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this matte orangey peachy shade right here. Now I'm going to pick up some of that gold shade and I'm going to pop that on my inner corner. Now I'm going to take a little bit of that green shade and I'm going to apply some right here in the middle of my lower lash line. So I picked up two different eyeliners when I was at Target the other day. The first one that I'm going to go in with is the Breakup Proof Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is in the shade Black. Really easy eyeliner to work with, dries quick, it's not transferring onto my lower lash line either. Absolutely love it, definitely using this moving forward. I also picked up this mascara from Target. This is the Get This Skinny Mega Slim Skinny Mascara in the shade Black. This is what the wand looks like, super, super skinny wand. And I think this is going to be perfect for coating every single lash. Let's give this a go. Provides length and separation without getting clumpy. This is definitely a winner in my book. I also picked this one up from Target. This is the Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Gel Eyeliner in the shade Black. I'm going to use this to line my upper and lower waterline. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of today's video, Wet n Wild was so kind to send me all 26 shades of their new Mega Lash lipsticks in both matte and high gloss finish. But before they reached out to me, I had already purchased both of these finishes, and I'm going to be working off the two shades that I purchased myself from Target. The first one that I'm going to try on for you guys is called Wine Room, and this is in the matte formula. This is what it looks like. And I love the packaging on this with the little lips in the front, rose gold lips. I think this is so, so cute. Let's start applying this. I'm not going to use a lip liner today. I'm never one to really use a lip liner that often. And if I do use a lip liner, I mainly use like a nude lip liner. But today we're just going to go straight in with the lipstick. Really good color payoff. Look at that. Ooh, that is a beautiful color. This is the matte finish in the shade Wine Room. The next shade I'm going to be trying for you guys is the shade Close Off, and this is the high gloss finish. This is a nice neutral color. This one comes in white packaging with the rose gold lips. This lipstick feels so hydrating on my lips. I just love the finish of that. I love the shade of it. That is a really, really nice nude color. This one again is in the shade Close Off. This is the high gloss finish. So I'm going to go back in with the Rose setting spray. Guys, I really enjoyed using this little microfiber makeup sponge. This is a new one, and I got this one straight from the Wet n Wild website. It retails for $5. Really like it. I have other microfiber sponges from other brands, and to me they don't blend as well as this one did. This one even feels a little bit different, so I can't wait to keep using this one in the future. I'm definitely going to be picking up a couple more the next time I order from Wet n Wild, or if they become available at Target. Definitely going to be picking them up whenever I make a trip out there. So guys, this is the completed look using all Wet n Wild products. What do you guys think? I'm totally happy with the way everything came out. Everything worked so well. It worked as I expected it to, guys. I've been using Wet n Wild for so many years. I've seen them grow so much and become this cruelty-free brand that really cares about the quality of their products and yet pays attention to us consumers and to our budgets. Not everybody has the money to spend $30 or $40 on an eyeshadow palette, on a foundation, on a powder. You know what, guys? You don't have to do that anymore. Wet n Wild has some fantastic finds. Be sure to check out your local Target. Be sure to check out the Wet n Wild website for all of the newest arrivals and some of your old favorites. The price is definitely on point for any boy or girl looking to save a few dollars but still wants that high quality makeup look. I absolutely love the way my look came out today. I'm so happy that Wet n Wild reached out to me. I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Stay tuned because my next video is going to be a Wet n Wild collaboration. Oh my god, can you believe it? I'm totally speechless. I'm stunned, and I am so happy to be working with Wet n Wild in my next video. You guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink that water, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.